Okay, guys, guess what we're doing today? Keep watching. Okay, and this is the men's room beer. I am the original red, and I am trying to get it to boil over here and to boil out all the alcohol. So I'm prepping this the day before I'm making the soap, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool down. Alright, so let's see how that goes. It's going to take a while, guys, so that's why I do this. I prep it the day before. Alright, and I'll be back with you and show you how we make the soap. Okay, there it is. It's, the foam is going down. The alcohol is evaporating. It's going to be ready pretty soon to put it in the fridge. Hi everybody, this is Kathy, and today I'm making the famous soap that I promise you guys I will make. It is the Elysian Men's Room Beer Soap, and it's dedicated to the men's room and my favorite show over here in the Seattle area. I made a lye solution with the beer, and I'm going to be using this brown oxide over here, brick oxide over here, and then I have a combination of red mica and red oxide in here. And this one is black iron oxide, so that's for my design. It's going to have layers underneath first, and then I'm going to do a swirl with that, and then I'm going to have the rest of it. It's going to be this color over here. The main soap is going to be the kind of reddish soap there, because the beer is red. So that's what we're going to do. It's a red beer, and it tastes yummy. Alright, so let's go and do this. Let's design it. Okay, what I have in here, I have my oils, and it's kind of like the stout recipe. I don't have any oatmeal in there. No oatmeal, no colloidal oatmeal, just oils. I have shea butter, olive oil, castor oil, and I think palm oil and coconut oil. That's all I have in here. So, and they're all melted, and they're room temperature around 76 to 80 degrees. And the lye too, the lye solution with the beer over here. So I'm going to strain this because the beer is kind of weird. It has a little bit of a top here, and I want to make sure that only the cool stuff goes in the soap. Alright, there we go there. Strained my beer. Okay, and now we're going to blend it till we reach we're going to reach a thin trace, and then we're going to start putting the colorants in and the oils. Actually, I'm not going to use a fragrance oil today. I have a mix of my own essential oils. What I put in there is sandalwood essential oil, rosemary, and patchouli essential oil, and it smells very manly. So it's a very nice, kind of like a cologne, a man's cologne. So I'm going to do this, and we'll do that later in just a second. Okay, so here we are, very thin trace. So I am going to add my essential oil blend right in here. I'm going to mix it up really well and blend it a little bit. Make sure it's everywhere. Alright, so there we go. And I'm going to put this aside, and we will split this batter in 2 more containers. All of this in here, all the essential oils in there, because those are expensive, yummy stuff. Alrighty then, there we go. Gotta mix the essential oils, the rest of them in there, because I want to make sure that everything is in there correctly. So let's do that. Okay, and I'm gonna get 2 containers here. Okay, this one is gonna be for the black. Over here. And this one is gonna be for my red. And then actually I need another container because I'm gonna do the top. I forgot about the top. I'm gonna do some of this. I'm gonna put in here. You don't need that much for the red and the white. It's gonna be for the white, so a little bit more. Okay, so what I did, I divided my butter in 3 little cups over here, so we can do 3 different colors. I have the white over here with the titanium dioxide. Then I'm gonna have a little bit of black, and I got some raw soap on me, so let me take care of that before it starts burning. Alright, so I'm gonna do, this one is gonna be black. I'm gonna do this fast because this is gonna start thickening already. Alright. I don't want to slick blend it because it's already thickening. And then I'm gonna do this one over here. Okay, so this is the, okay, so let's see which one we want to do. This one here. So this one is the red one. It's going to be at the bottom too. The bottom layer. I'm going to mix this one in too. It's a beautiful red here. Nice. Got a little bit of a brick red. Okay, so I'm going to put these aside for now, and I'm going to do my main batch here. Right over here. And we're going to put this one in there. Alright, so this is the main batter. And then we're going to put this in the big mold. Alright. Just give me a second, and we're going to bring the mold over here, and I'm going to pour that in there and do my design. Okay, so the first layer is going to be my black. I'm going to pour a little bit of black down here, like so. It doesn't matter that went over there, it's okay. Okay, so that's the black. So now I'm going to use my red. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some of this in there. I'm going to what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stir a little bit because it's getting kind of like pudding-like, a little thick. I'm gonna make sure that's a little bit fluider than. Okay, so let's see. He's already thickening. Okay, so I put my hanger swirls in there, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. I want this stuff from the bottom to kind of come up. So we'll see what happens. We'll know when we do it. And then I'm going to do this way. I'm really going down there to see, to move the black and the red. Alright, so I have to shake the soap again. I have to bang it on the floor or on the table here. Okay, so now the only thing I have left is the foam. And it's getting really thick. The foam. I may have to use a spoon for that. I don't know if it's gonna go down here. I've got a different spoon. Let me get a little spatula so I can get everything out. Done for now, and I'm gonna have this rest for a couple of days, 24 maybe 48 hours, to see how it gets. If it's gonna be hard enough to take out of the mold, we're gonna do it in 24 hours. If it's not, I'm gonna do in 48. So I'll see you guys in a second, and we'll see how the cutting goes. Alright guys, I'm back, and today we're gonna cut the men's room soap. What do you think, Kelsey?
I think it's amazing. And what's up Ted? What's up Miles? What's up Threll?
We love their show, and we love the men's room beer. That's why we made the soap. Okay, there you go. Let's cut one in front of you guys. I already cut a couple, but oh, look at this. This is the flames. This represents the devil, okay, that's on the bottle. And this is, the little flames over here, red and black. And the beer, of course, and that's the taupe, the foam. Alright. I think it came out very good and smells interesting. It does smell nice, but it has the after smell. I don't know if there is such a thing. Like you can smell the beer in there too. What would you say, Kelsey?
It's like a slight beer scent. Like, it smells like the men's room original red beer.
Yeah, I like this one. The flames came out really good. Well, we have another loaf that we're going to cut too. It's not ready yet. This one, it's the one that's ready. And it's very similar, but the top has more foam. But it's really, really similar to this one. I think that came out very good. What do you think, Kelsey?
I think it's great.
So I'm going to have this ready for June 29th. At the market in Buckley, at the public market in Buckley. If you guys want a piece of this, borrow this soap, come and see me. There's gonna be a celebration that night. Is the Dark Market celebration. They're gonna have people. They're gonna have different vendors. They're also gonna have entertainment. There's gonna be wine. I believe there's gonna be wine and beer. There's gonna be somebody, Stephen. What's his last name?
Stephen Wayne.
It's gonna be Stephen Wayne singing over there, and he was there May 4th, and he is amazing. He's an amazing singer.
And he's bringing a guest by the artist name of Dogger.
Yeah, so you guys should come and see it. If you live in the area, Seattle area, Tacoma area, come and see that. It's gonna be an amazing night. So I hope we can see some of you guys that live in the vicinity. That will be really fun. But anyway, this is the soap, and I'm very pleased the way it came out. So I want to thank everybody that's subscribing to our channel or subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you. And here we go. I'm going to finish this, and then I'm going to show you the bars.
Hola, Bichola. This is the men's room soap.
That's what it looks like up close. We cut it, and those are the bars right here. And you can see where my inspiration came from, from the bottle. Okay, there you go. I got the colors. I tried to get the colors right there. But I hope you guys like it. I hope the guys at the men's room like it, because I'm going to send you guys some of the soap. I hope you like it. When it's cured, and it's going to be in 4 weeks. 4 to 6 weeks. It depends what the pH level is on the soap when I measure it. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe, ring the bell, like our videos so we can make more fantastic videos for you guys. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much. Adios. Goodbye. Sayonara. Ciao.